Hi there, it's Zero Markets. Today we are going to show you how to apply for and start your copy trading journey. Firstly, we need to put in an application for copy trading. Log into your client portal. If you do not have an account, click on Get Started and quickly register. Once you are logged in, make sure you have created a live trading account and deposited at least $100, as you will need one to put in an application. Move to the copy trading page and read more about what is copy trading and who a copier or signal provider is. Once you are ready, in the Apply for Copy Trading section, select the live trading account you want to register as a copier. Click on Copier. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and disclaimer and then tick the box. Submit application. Our support team will review your application shortly. Once the application has been approved, we will notify you by email, which also contains the copy trading portal link and login details. Navigate to the copy trading portal either by inserting the link or via clicking on Go to Copy Trading Portal on the copy trading page. Log in with the details provided. View our available signal providers on ratings. Once you have chosen your desired provider, click on their profile and invest. Select your trading account. Double-check the provider and choose the preferable offer. Now, create your subscription. Finally, once you have successfully created your subscription, we have to set up our subscription profile. Edit your subscription profile to suit your risk management and trading strategy. If you are satisfied with the set profile, click on Actions and activate your subscription to start copying your chosen provider. You can choose to copy their current positions or ignore them and start fresh. You are able to view the current activation state by checking status. You are also able to temporarily suspend copying or unsubscribe from the provider by also clicking on Actions.